Good day. This video will cover creating an event within the engagement application. Please know that you can post events into the engagement application via a regular post, or perhaps there's an integration already created from your event calendar that will pull in events into the engagement app from 25 Live, or as an example, OrgCentral. If you wish to create an event within the engagement app, and provided you have an organization page, you can do so. Please note that any events created in other systems must be edited in those other systems. If, however, you create an event in the engagement app, you can edit the event in the engagement app, and you can also leverage the engagement app via a QR code to take attendance. We'll cover that today. I'm here at the home page that shows the feed. I'll navigate down the left-hand side and select events. When the screen refreshes, I see current events, and to create an event, on the left-hand side, I see the plus create event button. Press that button. The screen will refresh and show the create event page. For testing purposes today, I will create an event in a very short period of time and do it today so that you can see all the functionality. I'll choose the start date of the event, again today. Start time will be in a short period of time from now. Please note that the start time starts at midnight, 12 a.m. And as you scroll through, you'll be able to find the applicable times. I will choose 11 a.m. for this event. Again, end date, I'm choosing today. End time, I'm only going to choose 5 minutes for this particular event. Again, please note to take your time and select the appropriate date and times for your events. Is this a repeating event is the next question. In this case, the event does not repeat. If your event does repeat, you can select the down arrow and choose daily, weekly, or monthly. In this case, I will choose daily. Let's say it is a 3-day event where it says repeat count, select 3 for the number 3. So it will repeat daily for 3 days. Again, for this example, I'm changing daily back to does not repeat. That bottom selection goes away. I'll provide a brief description of the event. Be as detailed as you think is necessary. I will choose a campus. In this case, you can choose multiple campuses. I will choose University Park and World Campus. And then you will notice that the plus becomes a check mark. I select off, those campuses are selected. This is going to be an in-person event for University Park campus, so we'll leave it at in person as this location name suggested. For location name here, please select the actual location. So in this case, it's going to be 310 Buki Building, and the location address will be 310 Buki Building, University Park, 16802. I don't have an external URL for this. The host organization, this will appear and show you the organizations where you are an admin. You then you select the appropriate organization. In this case, I will choose News at Penn State. Categories. These are essentially tags or ways to identify your event. Select all that apply, and again, you can select more than one. In this case, I am going to select volunteer simply to show you functionality down below. I'm going to select volunteer and travel just to select 2. Again, notice they appear here. The contact for this will be me. My name is already in the system. I'll select it here, my email address. It is easy to add a photo. Notice the comment here regarding the preferred pixel size of the photos. The reason that is there is so that those images will appear as cleanly and clearly as possible. I have a fun photo to put in here, And now that I have selected volunteer above, I have the ability to add shifts if I would like to do so. I'm simply showing you that after moving the slider for adding shift for the volunteer opportunity, I can then select a number of shifts and volunteers per shift. I will not demonstrate volunteer shifts any more than this. Please locate the manual in regard to creating a volunteer event. I'm going to slide adding shifts to the off position. And I do want to post the event to the feed. I'm now going to click create. It tells me fields are missing. Please edit. I'll scroll back up to determine which field is missing. I did not name the event. I'm going to name this event Test Event for News at Penn State. If all the fields are properly filled in now, again, filling in fields that have an asterisk because they are required, I'll scroll down to the bottom of the page and attempt to create again. The event is indeed created, and it will also create a post for me at the same time. I'm posting as myself in this case. I can select a tag that's applicable. In this case, I'm simply going to select other, but you can see the options that are available here. I'll select other. What do you want to share? I'm simply going to put in here, please come to our event today. And then select the post, and it will post for your event. When the screen refreshes, what I'm going to do is simply come back in to the events, and I'm going to search for test because I know that's part of my title. As you can see here, here's my test event for News at Penn State. I'm going to select it, the image appears, and some information. If we create our events in the engagement app, using a mobile device, we then have the opportunity to bring in information from the mobile app. If you switch to your mobile app after the event is created, I'm going to show you two screenshots from the mobile app. Here's the first screenshot. It shows my image, and it also shows a Get Code button here that will assist me in tracking attendance. After I select the Get Code button, I will show you your mobile app screen will change to become this QR code. Students can then scan this QR code so that you can take attendance. Thank you for watching this video.